Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you to call them back later on the following number. And this starts with 0919. Do you know which network that is? And if you don't, with CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, what you have to do is go on CouponBet and log in. And once you're logged in, you're here on the dashboard, and what you have to do is you have to go to the Tools tab. And on the Tools tab, you will see all the tools that CouponBet has. So right now, you can see it's a bit loading. Alright, so there we are. And then if we just scroll down here to the bottom, so you can see here the Prefix Checker. So on the Provider Prefix Checker, you can see all the numbers, and we can just put in the prefix that we need, and we can see instantly if there's an answer. So what we have to do is we have to type in here 0919. And there you are. So you can see instantly this is a smart number. So you need to just use your smart number to call your customer. So if you like this kind of tools and you want to organize your travel agency, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.